What if a tiny tool could save your tires and fuel money? Today, I'm using a tire pressure gauge, one of the smartest Amazon gadgets for every driver. This compact tool instantly checks your tire pressure with accurate readings, helping you maintain perfect inflation at all times. Proper tire pressure improves safety, boosts fuel efficiency, and extends tire life. It's super easy to use. Just press, read, and adjust. The lightweight design makes it perfect to keep in your glove box or pocket. No more guessing or risky driving. If you care about safety and performance, this gadget is a must-have for your car. What if drying your car took seconds with zero scratches? Today, I'm using the Blackline Drying Towel, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for car care. This ultra-absorbent microfiber towel is designed to soak up water instantly, leaving your vehicle spotless and streak-free. Its soft, premium fibers protect your paint, ensuring a scratch-free finish every time. Whether you're detailing at home or after a quick wash, it makes drying faster, easier, and more efficient. The large size covers more area in less time, saving you effort while delivering professional results. If you want a clean, glossy finish without the hassle, this is a must-have tool for every car enthusiast. What if driving could feel more controlled and way more satisfying? Today, I'm using the Fidget Steer Grip, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for a better driving experience. This smart steering wheel attachment gives you enhanced grip and smoother control, making every turn feel precise and effortless. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, especially on long drives, while the fidget-style spinner adds a fun, stress-relieving touch. It's easy to install and fits most steering wheels, making it perfect for daily drivers or road trips. Whether you're navigating tight streets or cruising highways, this gadget improves comfort and control. If you want safer, smoother driving, this is a must-have upgrade. What if your car visor could organize everything you need instantly? Today, I'm using the OneTigris Molly Visor, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for smart car organization. This tactical visor panel attaches easily and gives you quick access to essentials like cards, sunglasses, tools, or small gear. The durable Molly webbing system lets you customize your setup exactly how you want, keeping everything secure and within reach. Built with tough materials, it's designed for everyday use and even rugged conditions. Whether you're commuting or traveling, it keeps your space clean and efficient. If you want convenience and organization on the go, this gadget is a must-have upgrade. What if cleaning your home felt completely effortless, like it's done for you? Today, I'm using the Huzuzi H8 Apex, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for smart home cleaning. This advanced robot vacuum is designed to handle dust, dirt, and debris with powerful suction and intelligent navigation. It maps your space, avoids obstacles, and cleans every corner with precision. The sleek design fits easily under furniture, while the long battery life ensures full coverage without interruption. You can even control it with your phone for ultimate convenience. Whether you're busy or just want a cleaner home with less effort, this gadget delivers reliable, hands-free performance every single day. What if you could see every angle of your drive in real time? Today, I'm using the GPS Inclinometer, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for off-road and adventure driving. This smart device gives you real-time data like pitch, roll, altitude, and direction, helping you stay in control on any terrain. The clear digital display makes it easy to monitor your vehicle's position, especially on steep hills or rough roads. It's compact, easy to install, and built for accuracy and reliability. Whether you're exploring off-road trails or just love advanced car tech, this gadget adds confidence and safety to your journey. If you want smarter driving, this is a must-have tool.
What if your phone could snap into place perfectly every time? Today, I'm using the Steely Orbiter Plus, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for your car setup. This smart magnetic phone mount lets you attach and detach your device instantly with a smooth, one-handed motion. The powerful magnet keeps your phone secure, even on bumpy roads, while the rotating design gives you the perfect viewing angle every time. It's compact, stylish, and built with premium materials for long-lasting performance. Whether you're navigating, taking calls, or streaming music, this gadget keeps everything hands-free and safe. If you want convenience and reliability, the Steely Orbiter Plus is a total game changer.